Have you ever imagined waking up in the morning, checking your bank account, and seeing that money came in while you were sleeping? If you're tired of trading hours of work for a paycheck that barely covers your bills, it's time to change the game. The truth is, there are assets that can generate passive income for you without having to work more. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 investments that can pay your bills automatically while you enjoy life. Many people believe there are only 2 ways to make money: working more or waiting for traditional retirement. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? If you want to achieve financial freedom and stop worrying about bills at the end of the month, stay until the end. Because each asset I'll show you could be the key to never depending solely on your salary again. Let's get started. Many people are trapped in the cycle of work and salary. They spend years working without building a solid financial foundation, and before they know it, they still depend on their paycheck to survive. The problem with this is that if something happens and you lose your main source of income, it can be difficult to recover. The secret of wealthy people is not just earning more, but learning how to generate money without actively working for it. And that's exactly what financial assets do. They create automatic income streams that work for you, whether you're working or not. The first asset that can generate passive income for you is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. They are a smart way to invest in the real estate market without having to buy physical property. When you invest in a REIT, you become one of the owners of a group of properties that generate income every month. This income comes from the rents paid by the tenants of these properties and is regularly distributed to investors. Unlike buying an apartment and renting it out, REITs offer liquidity, diversification, and tax-free dividends. To choose a good real estate investment trust, it's essential to analyze the quality of the properties, the vacancy rate, and the dividend payment history. The second passive income generating asset is dividend-paying stocks. Many well-established and profitable companies share part of their profits with shareholders. This means that by investing in these companies, you receive money periodically without having to sell your shares. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and some in the banking sector tend to pay good dividends. The key is to choose stocks from solid companies with a consistent history of dividend payments and good growth prospects. Additionally, reinvesting those dividends can accelerate your wealth growth over time. The third asset that can put money in your pocket while you sleep is royalties and intellectual property. This type of asset can come in various forms: book copyrights, music rights, patents, or even digital content. If you write a book, for example, you can keep earning money whenever someone buys it, without doing anything else. Likewise, if you create an online course or a photograph that gets licensed to companies, you can receive recurring payments for a long time. Many digital creators and artists already make a living exclusively from royalties. And with the internet, it has never been easier to monetize your creativity. Fourth asset is one of the most powerful and accessible today: automated online businesses. With technology, it's possible to create income streams that work 24/7 without you having to be actively involved. Some examples include affiliate marketing, online courses, dropshipping stores, and monetized blogs. These strategies allow you to build a system that generates revenue even when you're sleeping. The key is choosing a profitable niche, creating valuable content or products, and using automation to keep the business running with minimal daily effort. The fifth and final asset is passive income with cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. Unlike traditional crypto investing, where you buy and wait for appreciation, staking and decentralized liquidity allow you to earn interest on your crypto assets. Platforms like Ethereum and Solana offer options for investors looking to generate passive income without selling their assets. It's important to understand the risks of this market, such as volatility and security, but when used correctly, this could be an extremely profitable and promising asset for the future. The sixth asset is international diversification. Investing outside your country can be an excellent way to protect yourself against local economic crises and ensure a flow of income in strong currencies like the dollar and euro. There are various ways to do this, including foreign stocks, international ETFs, and funds that invest in global assets. This way, your wealth grows in a balanced and resilient manner, regardless of specific events in a single country. The seventh asset is investing in startups. While it carries higher risk, Investing in innovative companies at an early stage can yield exponential returns. Investment crowdfunding platforms allow anyone to participate in this market with small contributions. The key here is to study companies carefully, understand their growth potential, and diversify to minimize risks. The eighth asset is buying properties for short-term rentals. Unlike REITs, here you own a physical property, but the major advantage is the superior profitability that can be achieved through short-term rentals on platforms like Airbnb. To succeed, it's essential to choose the right location, offer high-quality service, and efficiently manage maintenance costs. The ninth asset is subscription-based businesses. Subscription-based business models, such as book clubs, streaming services, or software plans, provide financial predictability and recurring income. If you have specialized knowledge or a service that can be offered this way, creating a subscription business can be an excellent strategy for generating passive income. The 10th and final asset is private credit funds. These funds invest in corporate debt securities and pay interest to investors. They usually offer higher returns than traditional fixed income, but with controlled risk. It's an interesting option for those looking for stability without giving up profitability. Now that you know the 10 assets that can pay your bills while you sleep, the question is, how do you build a balanced portfolio? The answer depends on your investor profile and goals. If you seek security, you can prioritize REITs and dividend stocks. If you want accelerated growth, you can include online businesses and crypto assets. The key is to diversify to reduce risks and ensure that your passive income is sustainable in the long term. Many people make the mistake of betting everything on a single asset and end up suffering when the market goes through crises. Having a well-structured portfolio is essential for building your financial freedom safely. To conclude, remember, money can work for you. The key to achieving financial independence lies in the decisions you make today. So, which of these assets will you start investing in first? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. If this content made sense to you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this. And if you want exclusive material to help you build your passive income portfolio, the link is in the description. See you in the next video.